I just got the C4. I haven't drank an energy drink in a little bit. I had the Rise pre-workout and unfortunately took my last scoop yesterday. I had to get the raw order. Let's see, I'm trying to pull it up. It's not pulling up. So they gave me the free shaker bottle, which is sick. Got the milk and cookies protein and then the Savage pre-workout. So looking forward to that. Blackberry lemonade. I've been working on my chest, which is awesome. And it's like trying to get those man boobs. I feel like my arms are lacking, so it's about to hit shoulders, triceps, biceps. We're about to hit a workout. See you inside. It's time to get jacked, boys.
Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. I done tell you once, I tell you twice. Hey, yeah. Can't go in the club without my pipe. Hey, yeah. Told her I could buy you what you like. Hey, yeah. Told her I don't really got a type. Hey, yeah.
Your arms looking actually crazy right now.
It's the that's what happens when you got body dysmorphia. Yeah. I've been testing out and trying to get merch. And so honestly, this one, not like the craziest fan of, but the material is just insane. So soft.
Oh yeah.
I've been split testing. Like I ordered like 6 of these shirts with different designs. Shout out Daniel. But as you can see, got the Lulu shoes.
You don't even know Lulu made
socks. Insanely comfortable. That's what I'm optimizing for. It's just like I used to wear Jordans and not want to crease them, and I saw this guy. It was so funny. He was walking like this because he didn't want to crease them. So Lulu, I don't know. My wife used to actually work there, and I was like, there's no way that I'm going to be that person. But like since then, like I even got the Lulu shorts and I got the Lulu underwear. I usually wear a Lulu shirt too, but now that I got the brand, I have to rep it. I started waking up early when I was in 7th grade. So I started waking up and I would just go to the gym before school because there's just a different level of confidence that I'd get from like waking up and like going to school and going to class when I knew that I just got the work in. So by the way, if I got a lisp, I just got the Invisalign. So like I got the trays in here. It's like week 2, the start of week 2. So annoying, honestly. But anyways, when I started in college, I had to start getting up. I had to open at 4. I had to get there at 4. It was a 15-minute drive. So I'd have to wake up at like 3:30. So I remember there was a few times that my roommates, I would be waking up and leaving, and they'd be coming in. We'd be walking by the hallway together, and they're like, all right, good night. And I'm like, I'm actually going to work right now. I highly recommend if you're not waking up early to do it. If you just wake up 1 hour earlier than you are now for 7 days a week, and you do that for 4 weeks, right? That's 28 hours extra that you get. Whenever I'm trying to hit like a get in the flow state at the gym, this song, it's just violins. So I actually saw Lindsey Sterling in person, never heard of her until I saw her in person, and it was like, the concert was insane. She's like doing flips and backflips while doing the violin, going like 50 feet up in the air. But this song was like so sick. So whenever I'm trying to hit like a really good thing, just crank it up, just builds. Fire.
Wasn't looking for love, then you came along. How we got along, you singing to my songs. How you sing so perfect, wasn't doing nothing.
All right, so we just got done filming ads, and these, I have to say, you're about to be blasted. You're not gonna be able to escape how many ads you're gonna see on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, wherever it is, right? All we're gonna do is shoot a little bit more content, then we're gonna head to Nolan's event, which he's actually my YouTube coach, has helped me actually deliver the value that I've been able to give you guys. All right, we just got here. Obviously you can see Nolan Cybertruck. I'm jealous, honestly, but I guess it's not as cool as Hormozy's Star Wars Cybertruck. So we're going in. Nolan said that this got that it's crazy in here. We're running a little late, so hopefully we're not interrupting the whole thing.
First of all, I gotta give some love to my boy Johnny.
What's up?
Everybody, this is Johnny. Johnny,
what's up?
How you doing?
Good, how are you? Yes, sir. Dude, I was getting so much FOMO because Bailey had the car earlier today. So I'm like, dang, bro. I'm like missing the Q&A and everything. I'm like, oh, dude, I'm losing so much money right now. I should have just got the Uber. So guys, this is Nolan's house.
This is my house.
He has everyone here.
No.
We're in LA.
But in LA, yeah. This is my house. Yeah, dude, this is...
Oh, shoot. Did you guys go swimming yet or no?
No, I want to.
Too busy.
Yeah, dude, it's pretty sweet, right?
Yeah.
Got a little swing over here, swing action, cornhole, play some basketball later, pickleball. Do you golf at all?
No.
You don't.
Top golf.
Yeah, I don't really ever go golfing, but I like to every once in a while. But yeah, dude, it's kind of it's a sweet setup.
Oh, pickleball court?
Yeah, pickleball too.
Dang, dude.
Yeah.
Guess the brand.
Yeah, I know.
But this brand you can endorse.
Hey, how much? Where can they find it?
Selling for $1,000 each, or it's $8,000.
Yeah.
Join the program. If you're a client, I'll give you a free t-shirt right when you sign up. Only PIFs though. It's a PIF discount. with the shirt and the hat.
How confident are you in putting?
Oh, I'm good.
You good?
Yeah. I love mini golfing.
Oh, actually?
Yeah. Where's the, oh, over there?
Over there, yeah.
There's a chipper too. Oof. See, just like in VR golf, bro. Too hard.
Oh my God.
They said a 2-minute break. We're like 30 minutes in. Bruh.
That looked good.
That's like how I feel with this client that just go. Bro, it's that close. Like that's crazy right there. There's a famous YouTuber over there that literally is creating a viral clip. Guys, that's Mr. Beast creative director. That's a great start to the video.
Thinking what I'm thinking. Just start recording on it.
We're literally here in Scottsdale, Arizona. We got like hundreds of entrepreneurs that just flew in to my private mastermind. With the GOAT, Nolan.
Dude, let me see this. Listen, if you're following Johnny, you're doing something right in life. Not only, I told Johnny, I said, dude, with your content, like, you gotta just like, he's so lovable, you know?
Listen to this guy.
He's like, look at these guns. Like, this guy hits the gym brick by brick.
We literally talked about that earlier today.
I follow his Instagram. I want to live that brick by brick life. You need a shirt. This needs to say brick by brick.
All right,
Maybe.
got it.
But
yeah,
anyways,
for sure.
we're going to talk about business, YouTube, content, and
Growing your business brick
heck
by
yeah.
brick.
Brick by brick.
Not just your body, but your business too.
Your body, your business, and your
Mind.
brother. Okay, I was trying to think of another beat.
If I put this here, would it still
Why
pick
just-
up the audio or no?
Why just clip it on your shirt?
Oh, I wasn't sure if it looked weird.
No, it's okay though. Rule number 1, always do what is best for the content.
Okay.
Brick by brick. Okay, tell us about your business first of all, and then we can figure out like how to make more money.
All right, so you probably don't know what this is, but if you do, drop in the comments down below because it's really interesting, right? So I help final expense life insurance agents, specifically telesales, actually grow to that $20,000 a month in profit mark without having to sacrifice their friends and family and without cold calling.
Go follow this guy brick by brick, and he'll flex on the gram. Dude, thank you.
Of course, bro. Whew. Just got off the podcast with Nolan. Feeling good, that's for sure. Super excited. Super grateful to be at this event, being able to do a podcast with the GOAT. All right, so it's time to test it. We're going in the Cybertruck. Hopefully Nolan actually is an okay driver. We're gonna be literally vlogging in the back of a famous YouTuber. Hopefully he'll keep us safe.
Let him go so he can make.
Oh my gosh! Oh, what the? Let them pass it, then pass them again.
Oh yeah, I've been seeing a lot of ads with Hormozy and a white Cybertruck. Maybe I should film some ads in this thing.
Dude, do you feel like you're gonna be sad and feel sad?
Yeah, in my minivan when I get home. Yeah,
This is a perfect opportunity for you to be in front of that house with
100%.
the Cybertruck and be like, if you want to get rich like me,
Yeah,
because you have all the stuff already rented.
Everything's rented.
Here's my ad. I go, if you want to be able to afford to rent a Cybertruck and a mansion to film awesome ads like this, you need to go on YouTube. So give me a follow. I'll teach you how to do it. Then you can fake your way to being rich to get richer. I'm gonna send you my Notion doc.
I'm gonna close you.
It's like 20 pages long. Just scroll to the bottom. You can see. I think that's the approach I should take. Because like everyone in the entrepreneurship, I don't say everyone, but most of the people in the entrepreneurship,
He works 15 hours a week.
so,
Sales
like,
with the sales dog.
like they actually like do rent the cars.
Yeah.
And so it's like I'm just gonna take the opposite approach and just be like super honest and be like, it's like
It's like an unrealistic day in the life.
This is my first ad ever. Okay, let's see. Who am I trying to reach? I'm not just entrepreneurs, maybe coaches, yeah, and course creators. Okay. Oh hey, just here in my Cybertruck. Definitely rented it because I can't afford to buy one, but I can afford to help you on YouTube, especially if you're a coach, maybe a course creator. I know this ad's not very good because this is my first ad actually. I don't know, like just follow me on Instagram or something. I think that you're supposed to DM me a word. I don't know. DM me and I think I'll send you more information or something. Okay, see you guys.
What word are they supposed to DM?
Johnny's just out
Closing
here.
via. This is how you close via DMs.
Just
All right.
closing
So
DMs.
if you want to follow up, send this meme.
I have someone who's in my DMs sends me that stuff like every week, and he's been sending it for like months, and I just will never respond though.
Do you have a program or course or a way you're monetizing or
No, but
affiliates?
through this weekend, I realized I need to do that, not wait around for getting sponsorships and affiliates.
The thing that's nice about like this day and age is that you can monetize so many different skills.
Yeah.
It's like you could have like
Oh,
the
yeah, you
most
were talking about that.
most niche skill that like people don't even think people would value from. You could sell it. But that's the power of YouTube, right? Like your videos looked really good. All right, we just got done just eating and just hanging out. Obviously, we got the Cybertruck here that goes like 0 to 60 and like super fast. It feels like a turbo. But anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video. Subscribe right now to the channel. Share this with a friend if you found it valuable. And the thing that I need for you to help me with is drop in the comments down below if you absolutely loved the vlogs, if you want to see more of the personal life, or if you absolutely hated it and you're like, Johnny, don't post another video like this. Let me know either way. Would love the feedback. Drop in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. I done tell you once, I tell you twice.
Hold on.
What in the world? What is happening?
Battle dance.
I thought he was gonna get on his shoulders, bro. I was like, but then he just started like fucking on his head, bro.